How to put IG on quiet mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can put Instagram on quiet mode, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to basically put Instagram on quiet mode, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the three lines option from the top right, then you will come to settings page. Now, since this option is so confusing and Instagram just changes the layout too much, the easiest way I would recommend you do, go to the search bar and type in quiet. Then you'll find quiet mode right over here. So when you tap on quiet mode, you can just turn on this quiet mode option here, and then you can simply go ahead and enable start time and the end time. If you want to end it, then you should be able to turn this on. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then turn on quiet mode. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.